Oh, so then you're good. Then you don't need to worry about it. You good if I take off?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Bring your SC30 home? No.
Timer cleared.
Who's that?
Gear up.
You gotta fly it right. Yeah, that's what I figured. You just gotta let it build speed. I've got his afterburner. Yeah.
Oh, look at the clouds right there.
Cool. You gotta get him hooked up with an afterburner for this, man.
Yep.
Flies.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, if all goes well, you should get a burner for this. I'm okay with it without it. Mind if I go up with you?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm going to do a pass and then go right on ahead. Low pass from the left.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Go on up.
Autopilot. Yeah, I'll see how this does with this setup. If it does good, I might get it.
Oh, it does with that new.
With the F-35 setup.
Yeah, that was a big improvement for that plane.
Coming out. Right to left takeoff is best. Yeah.
The other way.
Take off the other way.
Yeah, because the wind's going.
This way?
No, the wind's
the
going.
wind's going that way. Duh. I'm an idiot.
Time remaining 1 minute 10 seconds.
So yeah, that plane will probably do it with that setup.
Yeah, I'm doing no worries.
It's okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Just calm down. You're good.
Yeah, so I put his antennas. One was going back and then one was going up. Huh?
Back and up is okay. No, they need to go 90 degrees.
Well, that's what you told me to have in my Corsair. One goes one way and then one goes.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's how I have it.
Okay, good.
This one doesn't have a satellite. So.
That one of those side things is kind of loose now.
10,
That's all right.
9, 8, 7,
better without
6, 5,
So, Bonnie,
4, gear down, 3,
let me come in before you land.
1.
Before you take off. Stay where you are. You're good. I'll come ahead of you and then I'll turn out of your way.
Take your time. Take your time. Fly better without him?
Does it? With those little.
It's probably a little less stable without them.
Actually, it doesn't fly any different. The little wooden stabilator things, the ventrals.
There you go.
Nice. You couldn't have put it down any softer.
This plane is so easy to land too.
Yeah, I love that game. That F-22.
All right, all yours.
Keep it off, right to left.
Whoa! Dude, that sounds good.